Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can read from the title, I will be showing you how I do my natural curly hair routine on my short hair. So if you watched my latest tutorial on how I got this hair color, you know that the front of my hair pretty much lost its curls. So to help with that, I did a protein treatment on my hair using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. Getting started with this routine, the products I will be using are aloe vera juice to keep my hair wet, African Pride's Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner, the Do's Mousse Def texture foam to enhance my curls, and lastly some Eco Styler gel. I'm using the olive oil kind, and that's just to lock in the curls. Now I'm just sectioning my hair into 3 sections from front to back so it's easier to work with, and I'm going to start from the back of my hair and work my way up. And as you can see, I'm starting on wet hair. So first I saturate the section with my aloe vera juice, then I take my leave-in conditioner and work it through the section. Next I take a few pumps of the texture foam and gently apply it to the section. The last step is to take a dime to quarter size amount of the gel and apply it to the section, and then begin taking small pieces of hair and twirling it around my finger. I would say this is technically finger coiling my hair, but since my hair is short and it has lost some of its curl, it really is just me recurling or enhancing my curls. I do have a tutorial on my channel already of me finger coiling my hair when it was cut into a short tapered cut, so I will leave that video in the cards or down below in the description box so you can see the actual finger coil tutorial. But this video is really what it says. It's a curly hair routine, so this is what I do to make my new cut and color naturally curly. So yeah, I just take the product in the order that I showed you, apply small amounts to the sections, and curl my strands by twisting them around my finger. And I do this for my entire head until I'm finished. Now that I'm finished, you can see that the front of my hair is more limp than the back of my hair, and that's solely due to the way that I recently colored my hair. So I just try to scrunch the front up in hopes that it helps lock in the curl. So this is what my hair looks like right after I finished, and this is what it looks like after it's completely air dried. Over the course of this hairstyle, I just let it naturally get voluminous, and I did pick it out every so often, but this is how I do my curly hair routine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel on your way to my next video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.